Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 40 cryptocurrencies by market cap. We're going to start with Aptos at number 1, followed by BitGet, ICP, AAVE, CRO, Ethereum Classic, Paul, and then we'll end it with VeChain at number 40. Let's get ready to it. Aptos against BTC. Here we are for Aptos, still under the skinny pink line, but we're in a bearish trend, but this could be a falling channel break towards the upside. Anyway, for Aptos against BTC, there is a noisy area over here, so I suspect we're heading towards this noisy area. So as it stands, yeah, I think there's a spike out coming on for Aptos against BTC, Aptos against USD. I mean, sure, of course we could drop lower, but yeah, we'll see. Aptos against USD, here we are. I think we're completing. It's not exactly an inverse head and shoulders, I mean, we would love it if it was an inverse head and shoulders. If it was that obvious, it would be great. But as it stands, I suspect that we may be consolidating a little bit more. But again, nothing's for certain. We are above the skinny pink line, and I expect a potential breakout towards the upside. It's just that if this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave up, right, we are probably gonna have a wave 2 before we get a wave 3 potentially, to a wave 4 and a wave 5, going up to $50 potentially. But again, we still need to see that wave 2 happen over here. It's going to take several months. I mean, of course, we could just start blasting off out of nowhere, but as it stands, we're going to be patient and we're going to wait for the Aptos whales to do their thing. BitGet, okay, BGB just suddenly went bananas. So this is where BitGet is at the moment. It's at 4 something, reaching $5. So where is it? 10 cents up to $4. This is absolute bananas from BitGet. It's up 4,000%. Which brings BitGet up to 6.2 billion market cap. From where it was to where it is, this is just insane bananas. 4,000%. So yeah, nothing much that we can do about it. This is not where you start buying. It's where you start selling. Yeah, it's ICP against BTC. Here we are for ICP. We're still in a bearish trend. We're still largely under the skinny pink line. We tried breaking up, but you fell over. Took out the lows over here. Is there a possibility we take out these lows as well? Yeah, nothing much for us to work with against BTC, against USD. We're also touching the skinny pink line. It would be great if we got some sort of a... Yeah, it's just not really that obvious to us. So there's just nothing much for us to do for ICP. AAVE against BTC. AAVE has gone bananas. AAVE's inverse head and shoulders is complete. It's out. There's a breakout, but of course, this is a very noisy area. So we're finding resistance over here. Once we consolidate, we'll break through it, clear all the clusters of buys over here, here and here and here. So all these clusters of buys will be taken out more likely than not, probably taking out this high as well, going up to 0.008. Yeah, around there. Right now we're at 0.003. So this is still a long way more to go for AAVE against BTC. Against USD, AAVE is, again, it's just gone bananas. Consolidation, breakout, consolidation, up again, falling channel, up. How much higher are we going to go? Not too sure. We're probably going to clear these clusters of highs, bring AAVE to 4.6, above 4.63. So just a little bit more to go for AAVE. But right now we're in a correction. So yeah, how much could we correct to? Probably, okay, I'm not too sure if this is it, but we might drop a little bit more first. But yeah, from a trading standpoint, AAVE is just not really that, not our cup of tea. Let's just put it at that. Kronos is out. Kronos against BTC. You look at it on KuCoin. So yeah, we're hoping for this to be something like an inverse head and shoulders as it breaks higher. I suspect Kronos might be dropping a bit lower first though. Right, there's an attempt to break above the skinny pink line. We attempted it 2 times before. This is the 3rd time. 4th time's a charm? Yes, no? Not too sure. CRO against USD, obviously is up. CRO against USD, we'll look at it on Gate. We're above the skinny pink line. So if we assume this whole thing is a 1, this is a 2, we're in the midst of a 3. So how much higher do I think we could go for CRO? Again, over here. Right, if I had to guess, right, the next target will be around 44 cents. What's the date today? Today is the 19th of December. So for the 19th of December, we'll acquire the target of 44 cents. It's on 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. a 44 cents target for Kronos. So we're anticipating, even if you were to look here, right, this is looking to me like a, not exactly a symmetrical, right? But this is a consolidation. As long as we're staying above the skinny pink line, this is great, right? If we could get a hammer here though, which could signify a potential continuation, a bottom and a continuation. We actually got a hammer over here. You see this? There was a hammer. This could be a continuation for Kronos. So as it stands, I suspect Kronos could be heading back up towards 44 cents. So that's our target, fresh out of the oven for Kronos. Next would be Ethereum Classic against BTC. Ethereum Classic is down. It's down. We continue to drop lower under the skinny pink line, but looking at the bigger picture, there is potential for a very big squeeze over here coming on. Right, it's gonna take several years though. But as it stands, no, Ethereum Classic is fairly weak. Of course, if you look at the USD pair, we're up, and we have a target over here for Ethereum Classic at $90. Right. Again, you can start seeing mountains here. Sorry, valleys. Valley 1, Valley 2, Valley 3. Yes, up $90. Potentially, right. This is a very big accumulation that's happening. Point. Yeah, $90. A target which we acquired way back on the 5th of December. Next will be Paul. Matic against USD. We'll look at it on Coinbase. So this is where Matic is. Still largely against, still largely under the skinny pink line. Like all the previous occasions, try breaking above it, but we're finding difficulty as it stands. Yeah, again, there's a noisy area over here, so we're finding difficulty breaking this. If we see a consolidation, great. Potentially more upside, but as it stands, yeah, we got to clear these highs and these highs as well. Probably taking us past this high, past 170. But as it stands, yeah, no, nothing much for us to work with for Matic. VeChain, VeChain is out against USD. VeChain is up against BTC. So could this be a continuation towards the upside? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. VeChain against USD. We are above the skinny pink line, which is great. VeChain potentially could be heading higher. Past. Okay, there's a noisy area over here. So if I had to guess, right, about 15 cents potentially. Right now at 5 cents. So this could be another more than 100%, 200% to 15 cents, roughly. Right. You can pull a resistance. Yeah, this whole thing could be a falling channel, right? This whole thing is a potentially 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We could be in the midst of a wave 2. Oh ho ho! After that we get a 3. Right, we might stop at 15 cents, get another 4, and get another 1, 5. Potentially, right? This whole thing could also be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you see. Yeah, going up to this noisy area here. We'll talk about 15 cents first. So as it stands, yeah, we hope to get some sort of a consolidation, and then we can put on a trade for VeChain. So I kind of like what I see on VeChain. There is potential, but yeah, I don't know if this is going to be a hammer. If this turns out to be a hammer, then yeah, very likely. Right, the day just started 6 hours ago. I don't know if this is going to be a hammer. We still have another 18 hours more to go to the day. Could we still drop lower to this noisy area over here? Yes, potentially. Sub. Yeah, clear these clusters of cells over here. 1, 2. Drop down to sub 4.3 cents. Yeah, sure, of course. But as it stands, we see the potential. We're going to see how this candlestick closes first. So that's our take for VeChain. Alright, boys and girls, I guess that's it for today's Top 40. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one.